If you think sex is all about procreation and pleasure, then you need to watch this video. This video will be in two parts, and in this first part we'll look at some amazing benefits, some amazing health benefits of engaging in regular sex. And this is a very important video for every couple, and this will help to improve significantly your mentality, your orientation about sexual health. Whether you're a man or a woman, everyone goes through some periods of stress, and if this continues, may lead to burnout. Interestingly, one health benefit of engaging in regular sex is stress relief. Sex helps to relieve stress. This experience of sex helps to release endorphins. Endorphins are hormones which help to ensure relaxation, helping to reduce stress and promoting relaxation. How important is your sleep to you? Sleep is one thing that we all need, and our sleep should be restorative, it should be re-energizing, it should give us that reset. Do you know that sex helps you to achieve better sleep? Yes, especially after orgasm, the body releases oxytocin and prolactin, and these are hormones which help you to get better sleep. Is that not interesting? Have you been there before? You can drop in the chat box. As a couple, after engaging in sex, sometimes you feel sleepy. Okay, that's because these hormones are released and help you to achieve that sleep. Next is the effect of sex on your mood. Are you constantly experiencing low mood? Interestingly, regular sex can help to improve your mood, as this helps to release endorphins and serotonin, which are helpful in elevating an individual's mood. So you need to check yourself. In fact, you need to also note this about your spouse, and this may significantly help your relationship. Sex triggers the release of endorphins and serotonins, which are natural mood enhancers. The fourth health benefit of engaging in regular sex as a couple is that sex helps to boost your immunity. Yes, regular sex helps to release antibodies in your body, which help to fight against diseases. This fifth one is another interesting one. Engaging in regular sex can help to relieve certain pains. Pain from a headache, menstrual pains are sometimes relieved by regular engagement in sex. As a couple, you may find this as a form of relief from pain. Number 6, since sex is a form of exercise, yes, it's a form of physical activity, it engages the activity of the heart, where the heart is able to pump more blood. Engaging in regular sex can improve cardiovascular health. It can improve your heart health. This occurs because your heart rate tends to increase during sexual activity. How we all need healthy relationships. How much more importantly, as a couple, you need to enjoy your relationship. It's been found out that engaging in regular sex helps to improve bonding between couples, and this helps to give better or a more healthy relationship, among other things. Hello there, are you finding this video informative, helpful, interesting? Then why not tap on the like button, and then why not subscribe so that you can receive more informative videos such as this. Thank you. Now let's look at the remaining three health benefits of engaging in regular sex in this part of the series. From research, it's been found out that regular sex helps to lower blood pressure. Is this not surprising to you? Yes, studies have shown, and I have in my notes here, that because of the hormones that are released during sex, hormones such as serotonin and endorphins and phenylethylamine, which can help you to feel less stressed and actually relax your arteries. So when you engage in sex, you will actually be having a lowering of your blood pressure. The second reason is this, that sex is a form of exercise that strengthens your heart. And you know the role of the heart in pumping blood and regulating the blood pressure. And lastly, on the study, it's been shown that men who have sex at least twice a week and women who have satisfying sex lives are less likely to have a heart attack. So it helps to improve heart health. As mentioned earlier, why not enjoy yourself as a couple and at the same time strengthen your cardiovascular health? However, it is important to always check with your physician or your healthcare provider on what best suits your health when it comes to recommendations. If you have any cardiovascular health risk or any other chronic medical condition that may require some individualized or personalized care recommendations. The last two health benefits that we'll be talking about in this video are important also for women and men. For men, especially the last point, and then for women who love them. If you love your spouse, then you should get these 2 points also. Engaging in regular sex as a couple helps to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles as an individual, because sex helps to engage these muscles and then strengthen these muscles, which help to improve bladder control. Lastly, it's been shown that for men, engaging in regular sex can help to improve prostate health. Better prostate health is said to be found in men who engage in regular sex. Even though there are some other studies, and this is still controversial, that are ongoing to confirm this or to refute this claim. However, the studies showing that there's an increase or improvement in prostate health for men who engage regularly in sex shows actually that regular ejaculation helps in prostate health, helps to give a better prostate health. So have you found this video informative, helpful, educational, and it will be good for you to share with your spouse? I'm sure they will find it interesting also. And interestingly, you may have friends, family that do not know about these health benefits, and you can do well to share this video with them. Remember, you should subscribe to this channel so that you can have regular updates when I come up live, because I do that a number of times in the week, and then you can also get to see videos when I upload them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Remember to share your experience in the chat box. See you in my next video. Bye for now.